machine like this too? Then let's go!
Guys, hello! Today we're making a cool soda vending machine.
It's a technology breakthrough! Guys, do you like technology? I love it!
Personally, I love our cardboard crafts. We'll combine both today. First, apply some glue. And place the pieces, which will form our base, this way. Don't rush.
I feel like a real engineer! More to the right. Okay, this way.
Sam's in charge today. What do you say? I did my best.
Well, here. All right, approved. Go on.
Guys, now I'll place a panel here and attach the same kind of panel to it with a narrow line cut out. And here will be a slide for soda cans.
I want to make things too. All right, this goes here. Da-da-da. Alakazam!
Let's check if the can fits.
Oh, I'm so thirsty. I'll be back.
All right, Sam. In the meantime, the can fits perfectly, but looks like I'll continue without Sam. I'll bring the pieces and we can move on. Want to know how the soda is going to be delivered? With the help of this part. Looks like a revolving door, right? To make it, we used 4 identical rectangles and 2 cross-shaped pieces.
How will it spin? You need a stick like this, guys.
Sam's right. We need an axis. The door will revolve around it. Whoosh! Great job!
Everything's going according to plan. Refreshing.
Sammy, I hope this Coke isn't from the crafts stock. We'll need cans for the machine.
Of course not! How could you think that?
I'll hold you to that. Now let's make a limiter to prevent all the cans falling out at once.
The limiter will go down like a swing pushed by a can.
We'll set nuts at the end of this piece. Guys, soon you'll understand why it's needed. Meanwhile, watch attentively. Let's use a stick again. And secure the limiter with these rings. Work carefully as usual, and you'll succeed. Another ring here. It's easy!
Oh, once I made a mess and got glued to a craft. Don't repeat my mistake.
It's done. Want to test it, Sammy?
Hail the great Tibidama! It works! Perfect.
Now let's add some energy to our machine.
And what's so special about this piece?
Don't you know, Sammy? It's your favorite craft part.
Right, it's an electronic mechanism.
Bingo! These invisible hairpins will help us conduct electricity. Guys, do you like electronic gadgets? Give a thumbs up if you do.
Electricity is cool. You only need to know how to manipulate it.
For example, to solder the wires properly, ask an adult to help you with this step.
Find the most responsible adult helper. There are 5 wires here.
Solder them to metallic pieces. They're perfect electric conductors. I'm securing the wires with the plastic tie so that they don't get tangled. All right. And done! The most interesting part's yet to come.
So, when are we gonna start the electricity? I'm all electrified with anticipation!
Be patient, Sammy. Better not to rush. We want to make it the right way, don't we? Sammy? Where are you going?
If you want to make it quicker, make it yourself. I'm off.
Oh, so impatient. Don't worry, guys. I'm sure he'll be back soon with something interesting.
You bet. Now we've got an electric motor.
Wow, Sammy, cool. Let's charge it really well.
To the right, to the right. Now to the left, to the left. I could do this all day. Done, like we planned it.
Well, let's try to connect them. Oh, it fits perfectly. Guys, this is the platform which will bring the cans up. And that's why we needed those holes. Our platform can move along them.
Hooray! Soon the platform will move! First up, and then down.
Here we used metallic plates again.
And wires. Don't forget, ask an adult to help you.
I wonder if adults are watching us. Give a sign if you're here.
Guys, maybe your parents are watching with you? Grown-up viewers of our channel, respond in the comments.
We're curious to get to know you. Sammy, is the piece you were assembling ready?
Of course, you only need to put a motor here. 3 cardboard pieces, some glue, and it's done.
Look, on one side we put a cylinder.
And this bobbin on another one.
Sam, the work's moving so fast with your help. Sam was quick as usual and even made me the second half. I wish I was as quick.
Don't worry, Sue. You have me. Sam the electrician will solve all your problems. Oopsie. It's not as easy as it seemed. Sue, could you fast forward the video? I'm not that quick.
Guys, let's give Sammy some time. We'll be back soon. Well done, Sam. You even closed the wires with conduits. It's very important.
Guys, the conduits keep you safe from electric shock. Ask an adult to help you.
Now we'll make all the pieces of the mechanism work together. Sleight of hand. Watch closely.
I did the same on the other side. And you know what, Sue? I also connected it to a battery. Oh, what would you even do without me?
It's time for your soda reserve, Sammy.
I'm fully prepared. Oh, it's gonna be fun.
We're finally going to test the mechanism. Soda?
Ready? Go!
It worked! Now we can finish the craft.
Guys, do you like my idea? This'll be a machine from the future.
No joking, it'll be something cosmic. This is a hatch where the can comes from. Looks like a flower, right?
Wait! The hatch won't work without this.
Follow my lead. Put this piece up and secure it with little rings. This way. There should be 5 rings. There we go. Done! Don't forget to secure the rings with glue. What does Sammy say? Holy cannoli, it's so cool! Now we need to attach it to other pieces of the craft. Hop! Guys, I can't wait to show you the finished machine! There. I guess Sammy's done with the last piece.
The launch button for the Coke rocket is ready.
If I lived in space, I'd like to have a machine like this. Let's attach the cover and the hatch to the base. One turn, another, and one more time. Phew, so many strings in this craft. We did it, guys! It wasn't easy, but we had so much fun.
Cross your fingers. We're gonna start the test.
That was so cool, guys! I hope you liked this craft too and enjoyed watching the video. Hit the bell and give a thumbs up so more people can discover our channel. I guess Sam's really into that machine now.
It's awesome, guys. You should make this machine at home. You won't regret it. See you soon. Sue, come on. We're going to space. We'll be back for the next video.
Bye, guys. See you soon. Slow down, Sammy.